What's going on, guys? It's been a long time, but we're back with Ariel Joy. Alright, so we're gonna do a quick hair tutorial, and this is gonna be real easy. It's basically teaching you how to take out ponytail holders and put them back in. So as you can see, her hair is already parted. This is just an old style from a few days back, and we just want to keep the same style but redo the ponytails. So I'm going to teach you an easy way to do that. That way you're not pulling her hair out, since she does have very curly hair. For those of you, whether it be dads or moms or grandmas or anybody that just doesn't know how to do hair, especially dealing with curly hair, it can be a little intimidating. So we're just going to get into it, and I'm going to try to help you learn how to do this without tearing hair and also not hurting your child. Let's just say that. Okay, so I'll try to get as close as I can. This one's a little hard to see because it is a black rubber band, but hopefully you can see it here. What I like to do is I like to try to find the one that's closest to the end of the hair, where the loose hair, and as you can see, this little part, this loop right here, is the loosest. So what you want to do is, if you could see the hair in between this loop and these loops, so you want to get this hair out of that loop. So you're going to pull this one here. You see the hair is starting to come out, but you want to hold on to this, and you're going to pull this through. This is going to be kind of hard to explain and show, but hopefully you get the idea with me showing, because what tends to happen is if you don't have a hold of the rubber band and you're just pulling this and letting the hair go, or if you're not, pulling them apart, you tend to pull the hair and tear it, and we want to not do that. So as you can see, it was twisted, so now you just want to untwist it, and now it'll be easy to just pull this hair, hold the rubber band open like this. This hair is here, and we're just going to pull it through like that. And you're easily just undoing the ponytail without tearing any hair, without hurting. Does it hurt, Ariel? It hurts?
Yeah, it does.
Where does it hurt?
Yeah, you're pulling.
Oh, it's a little hair that's stuck. Sometimes a little hair gets stuck and I don't see it, so that hurts. But did me taking the ponytail holder out hurt?
Mm-hmm.
No. Okay. So now you have this free hair, right? And now she can do whatever she needs to do. So I'm just gonna put this one back in a loose ponytail, and I'm gonna show you on the other side just so you can see me do it again. Okay, so we'll go through this side, and as you can see, this one's brown, so you can see it a little bit better. Maybe it blends in with her hair too much, I don't know. But you could see there's not one that's really loose. You can see this one kind of overlaps, so you're going to assume that this is the loosest loop right now from the ponytail holder. So you want to get your fingers under that one, and you're going to want to pull this chunk of hair through this, going in the opposite direction. So going like this, if that makes sense.
I'm doing hair right now.
Yeah, you are. You're doing beautiful twists on your doll. My fingers are through the rubber band, and I'm grabbing the hair so that I can pull it through. So this is the bottom part here. I'm just going to pull that through. And now it's through easily, right? So you want to do the same thing. You don't need too many fingers. You just need 3. You can sometimes even do 2, but I feel like 3 is the best because you get a good grip on the hair. And you're just going to continue to do the same thing. As you can see, it's twisted, so you want to untwist it and then go back sorry baby, I know I pulled a hair. Some of the hairs are stuck right here, you can't really see, but you want to try to get those out, because that will get stuck and tangled and it'll hurt her. So then you want to do that again, untwist it again.
Isn't it a cute twist? It's pink, green, and orange.
It's beautiful. So see, some of them got stuck again. You just undo that, and then there you go, and then it's loose. Now if you want to see me put her hair back into the ponytails, make sure you come back and watch the next video. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, we'll see you next time.